Simpli Home HHV029 Chelsea Collection Bath Vanity. Features 105-degree hidden hinges. The Simpli Home Chelsea Vanity collection is defined by a black lacquer finish, brushed nickel knobs and a casual contemporary look. The collection comes with 105-degree hidden hinges and ball-bearing easy glide drawer slides. This beautifully assembled 24-inch vanity provides a large amount of storage area with 2 doors and 1 bottom drawer. The vanity features a white quartz marble top with one 13-inch by 18-inch rectangular white undermount vitreous china sink, and is pre-drilled for 4-inch center mount faucet. You are dreaming of that perfect bath vanity to complete your vision for the ultimate bathroom spa. You want something both stylish and with lots of functionality. The 24-inch Chelsea bath vanity has both. It constructed with solid hardwood frame and legs. Its contemporary look is our most popular and adds a luxurious feeling to your new contemporary bathroom. Matching mirror also available. The Chelsea look is distinguished by its cool contemporary styling and enhanced by its black painted finish. The Chelsea key style features include shaker-style doors and drawers. Bullion molding accenting around the legs and drawer, rounded square brushed nickel knobs, and white quartz marble top with rectangular white vitreous china sink. The vanity has large bottom drawer, S, for exceptional storage and 2 doors revealing a large interior space. The 24-inch Chelsea bath vanity is a perfect size for your new luxurious powder room or smaller family or basement bathrooms. With 1 bottom drawer and 2 doors. Opening to a large storage space, this vanity is a perfect solution for you. Black painted lacquer finish. Enjoy the clean contemporary black painted finish. Sealed with a premium NC lacquer coating. Pure white quartz marble top with rectangular undermounted sink. The top is pre-drilled with 3 holes. Has a finished size of 25 inches wide by 21.5 inches deep by 35 inches high. This vanity has a finished size of 25 inches wide by 22 inches deep by 35 inches high. Width and depth size are 1 inch larger due to overhang of quartz marble top. The Chelsea vanity comes with side-mounted ball-bearing drawer slides and 105-degree hidden hinges for smooth functionality. Absolutely love this vanity. Well made and good quality. To purchase Simpli Home HHV029 Chelsea Bath Vanity, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.